Previously, we looked at the ones in blue, which is the loft, the storage and linen area, the kids' room, and the kids' closet. And we also looked at the staircase. Now, today we'll be looking at the balcony, my kids' bathroom, the master bathroom, and the female and the male closet. Alright, guys? So let's jump into it. Along with art, I love architecture and interior designing, but I'm not trained in any of these fields. I always want to know what my house would look like in the future, so I choose to do this as a fun hobby, to look for designs I like, and I'm going to do it with you guys. You can follow along. Just note, my focus is never on material things but my soul. So the first one we're going to look at is the balcony. Now, for the balcony, for my room, I want a small jacuzzi. I want a jacuzzi with space at one side. So these are some examples of what I have in my head. For example, like this. So it should be on the balcony, and then it has a little bit more space for seating or something like that. Open image, a new tab. This one could be a good idea also. Open image in a new tab. Let's see what they have below. This one could be an idea also. I like this. Open image, a new tab. I saw one before I clicked that one, so let me go back. Let's see. All right, this guys. Mama, look at this beauty. All right, it's a small balcony, guys. You can see that it's very small, but it has a jacuzzi. Tell me if this not nice. Tell me if this and not the soft life. Alright, so open image in tab. So that's my balcony, guys, and that's a great example. This is also a great example. Wow, this is cute. This is so clean and cute. Oh my, oh, this cute and cute. This one is cute too. Let me click that one. Wow, opening a new tab. My. Let me go back. I saw another cute one. Oh my god, look at the lamp stand there, guys. It's so cute. So when it's like nighttime, you can just turn on this big lamp thing. Oh, it's so cute. Opening a new tab. That's so nice. Nice. Alright, so I'm finished with my balcony. Now, the kids are not going to have any balcony based on the setup in my head. The balcony will come off the storage room. Alright, so I'm gonna type in just a regular balcony for balcony 2. Balcony. Alright, just a regular balcony. It's nothing fancy. I wouldn't want the balcony to be attached off like that. I don't like that setup. I'm not sure if I'm going to find any right now. Alright, something like this, guys. So that would be the balcony for balcony number 2. I'm gonna try and see if I can find any outside view. For those who were watching the video, you would understand how I want the balcony done. Alright, say for probably similar to this one. I wouldn't want it hang off the house. The house and the balcony should be in one. That's the best I can explain it. You would have to go back on the house video to understand what I'm talking about. Alright, guys? So let's see what we got so far. Oh, so these are the balcony with a small jacuzzi. Guys, I don't want any big jacuzzi, just a small thing. These are so cute, guys. Look at that. Especially this one with the big lamp. That's cute. Alright. So now we are done with the balcony. So now we're going to look at the bathroom. Kids bathroom. I think I would want like a regular bathroom, because as I said, the kids are going to grow up. So I wouldn't want anything too kid like. I'm just gonna type in bathroom with vanity. Alright, so the reason why I would want like a vanity section, I want her to have somewhere where she could comb her hair and stuff like that. So this is cute. Open image and new tab. So the bathroom must have a little seating area. Alright guys, I'm not sure specific of what I would want, but I know it should have a seating area like this. Alright, so a regular shower and a toilet, that's it. Because I don't have any or have much idea in terms of this, I'm gonna come offline and think about what I really want and come back and show you guys. Alright guys, so I'm back. So I've worked in the hotel industry for a time, so with the little experience that I have, I realize that these are some examples of what I want. The reason why I selected this, because it seems like it's easy to clean, and this one has a little seating. It's wide enough for her to do whatever she needs, so I like that. And the mirror is wide. I love that. When I was working in the hotel industry, the mirrors were extra wide. I love that. And this is another cute one. Look at the mirror, how wide it is. So these are the examples of the bathroom. Alright, so now that is the end of the bathroom for my kids. Now let's see what is next. Alright, next up is the master bathroom, since as we're on the topic of bathroom. So let's type in some master bathroom ideas. I want mine to be white, clean with vanity. Should I type in that to make it easier on me? White and clean. Cute. Alright, I definitely want a vanity area just like I would want for my child. I definitely want like the tub separated from the shower. I like that idea. This is clean and neat. I like this idea also. So wow, this is very cute. Opening tab. So you have like, I don't think I want so many cupboards, honestly to God. Guys, I would definitely want floating cupboards. I like the idea of floating cupboards, but I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure, but I like how it's so clean though. This is a good one, guys. This one is cute. Look at this. Oh my, it's not loading. But this one, you can see that the cupboards are white and it's floating. That's nice. I really like that. This is nice. Wow, this is so clean and neat. Look at the sunroof, guys. Anyways, these are just ideas. I'm not too sure, but it's just ideas that come to mind, okay? His and her, I'm not sure about the his and her sink. Definitely not sure about the his and her sink. No, I wouldn't want a his and her sink because it's just gonna be too much to clean, okay? So probably no his and her. Alright, so I'm gonna come off, check what I really want and come back, guys. For that, let me just see what we have so far. Alright, look at this. I like, you know what, I want the floating shelf. Look at this light underneath the cupboard. That's so cute. Look at that, guys. I definitely want something like that. Probably not a his and her sink, just one sink, and then my stuff would be on here and here. That one is cute. It's white, it's clean. I wouldn't want so many cupboards. No. This is nice though. I like this so much. Even this one looks like a hotel vibes going on here. I like this, but I would prefer the mirror going straight across instead of being parted. This is clean and neat. I like that. I'm not sure about the sunroof though, but it's cute. This one is so clean and nice. I like that. Alright guys, so let me come off, see what I really want, and come back. So I decided on these. My god, I decided on these. So here's the reason why I decided on these. So I can have a little storage here, dirty clothes here, or probably clean clothes, I don't know, but just a little bit of storage in the bathroom. Then I want like a little seating area in the bathroom to sit down and scrub my foot properly, and you know them way there. Yeah. Then outside of that, instead of a tub like I mentioned, I would want a jacuzzi, guys. Something like this in the corner. Yes, that is cute. And if I have money, probably even on next tub, but we'll see about that. But I would definitely just want the jacuzzi, because the jacuzzi could stand in place of the tub. I like the shower for this. I like the mirror. I like the floating shelf with the towels underneath. Yeah. I like the vanity here. One sink and then the vanity right here. One large mirror. Is it one large mirror? But it should be one large mirror. I'd want one large mirror. The niche, I would want like a niche in the bathroom also. Yes. And this would be on the balcony, guys. Isn't it cute? I'm not sure what else I would want in the bathroom. I would have to do some more research, but these are what I have so far. So yes guys, we have now completed the master bathroom. So let's see what's next. Alright guys, let's try and go to the closets. Alright guys, now I definitely would want my closet different from my husband's closet. I'm gonna type in male closet first. Male closet. I will choose this one or this one for him. I love the organization. I would definitely want probably an island in there for him. Let me choose by the wood one. This one is nice. I'm not sure if you would like this deep brown though. But this organization is cute. I think you'd more go for this setup. Yes, and I would definitely want like an island where you could put his watch and his belt and all those accessories and stuff like that in there. Or you could get a drawer and put them in. But let's see what we have so far for the male closet. This one is definitely so cute, guys. I like the slope in this. I like that. I like the mirrors. I like this one too, the gray tones. This one kind of seems a bit too busy, but it's wood. I like the flooring. I'm gonna type in female closet. For me, I would definitely want a window. If not a window, it's fine, but I would definitely want a seating in there and an island. I'm not sure about the island, guys. Probably it's gonna take up too much space. No, because I'm the one designing the closet, I am going to come offline and think about what I really want. I think I like this one though, like the seating, but I think I would want like a backrest, probably something like this. Yeah, this one is cute. I like this one. Alright, I'm gonna come offline and see what I can find, guys. Okay. Alright guys, so remember I said I want my husband to have a different area or different closet space from mine. So this would be like an example. Mine would be over on this side and my husband's closet would be on that side. Even though it's a bathroom here, I would definitely want two closets like that. But I think I would want it at the bed head and the bathroom in front. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It's just an idea. So just like how this is parted off, that's how I would want the closet to be parted off. Okay, guys. I think I would prefer it here instead of at the end of the bed, but I'm not sure. It's just an idea. Alright, so this is a good idea. This is an idea for nice closet setup. I would definitely want a vanity in there, and this is what I'm talking about in terms of um wanting like an island in there for my husband. I don't know about the black, probably a wood texture, I'm not sure, but this is a good idea for a closet space. I wouldn't want the clothes to be touching. All right, I would want it separated like that. It's just an idea, guys, just an idea. All right, okay guys, so I don't know if I mentioned before, but I think I prefer like a black and white theme with a dash of wood texture for my house design, but it's just an idea for now. I'm liking that for now. So this is cute, so I selected that. This is cute. This is also cute. So the male could be opposite of the female, or the female opposite of the male. Alright, I'm not the one to collect shoes as much or purses as much. Alright guys, so this is it for the closet. Nothing too fancy, guys, nothing too fancy. Alright guys, so we're done with the female and male closet. Now, last but not least, the master bedroom, guys. Alright, so for the master bedroom, guys, I don't want anything too fancy as usual, as I usually say. This is cute. Open image and new tab. Look, this bedroom is for kings and queens. It's so cute, but definitely too much on my eyes, so it's a no for me. Alright, so I would definitely want a couch or some kind of seating at the bed foot. Yes. What else? A TV, probably a built-in or a floating shelf. So instead of like a dresser, it would be a built-in thing for the TV. I'm not a fussy person, so I don't want anything too fancy. This is cute and simple. Alright guys. Alright, look on this one. Look at this one, guys. Pat was tripping a while ago. This seating is so nice. Nice. I would definitely want something at the window also, like a little seating area at the window, so my husband and I could get up in the morning and sit at the window and have our little devotion at the window. That is cute. That would be so cute. You know, whenever we get the chance to just sit at the window like this, guys. But I think I would want something like a chair instead of a couch. Those are my few ideas. This one is nice. I love the setup for that one. Alright guys, let's see what we have so far. So these are the bedroom ideas. The seating, I like that. I like this seating at the window where we could have our devotion and stuff like that. That's cute. I like the seating also. I like the seating at the window. I love the blue setup, but I'm not sure. Yes, so those are some bedroom ideas, guys. Alright, I'm gonna come offline, look at some more photos and let you guys know. All right, guys. So look at these. I added to the photo, the mixed. So this is a good one here with the floating shelf and then the TV. Yes, so I showed you this earlier. This is a good one. But anyways, this couch is excellent. It looks so soft and luscious. Yes. And then this part here could be exactly like what I want, but and then the balcony outside. This is like a floor level though. Or this one here, then it has the seating over on that side, and the bed is here. Oh, that's cute. And then the TV is actually in the wall. That is more cute, cuter. um yes, guys. So those are my few examples along with what we have up here. Yes, guys. So that is it for today, guys. Join me next time and we'll go to the backyard or the aerial view of the backyard, guys. All right. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.